Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Pam, and this is our third lesson that we are going to have this week on our spelling words. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and we are going to play a little select and match game with our spelling words. But before we begin, I want to make sure that your listening ears are on and your eyes are on Miss Pam and her hands are up here. Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, place them in your lap. Okay, now what Miss Pam is going to do is I'm going to turn a word over, and I want you to think about what word it is. The first word that Miss Pam is turning over starts with the letter B. Let's put that sound with the sound of ank together. Ank. Bank. The second word starts with the letter S. Can you read that word? If you said sank, that is correct. Very good. And our last word begins with the letter R. Rank. So we have bank, sank, and rank. Now Miss Pam is going to choose a card, and I'm going to see if you can match it. Okay. The card that I chose starts with the letter S. Sank. Would you match it to this word? To this word? Or to this word? If you chose sank, you are correct. The next word that I chose begins with the letter B. Bank. Can you find the word on the table that matches it? If you chose this word, you are correct. Bank. And that leaves our very last word that starts with the letter R. Put it with ank. Rank. And if you chose that word to match it, you are correct. Very good. So we have bank, sank, and rank. Now we're going to do a few sentences with our words. And I'd like for you to read along with Miss Pam. Okay, I'm sure you guys remember this word. It's going to be at the beginning of our sentence. It's the letter I. It can also be a word. All right, now Miss Pam has just put down a couple of more cards. So what I did is we are going to put these words, or we're going to read these words in order to make a sentence. I rank my bears. Let's read it one more time. 1, 2, 3, ready to read. I rank my bears. Now I would like for you, as I point to the word, to read it by yourself. Good job, boys and girls. I know that you read that very, very well. All right, we're going to make another sentence. Oops, let me get my card. Now, these words should look very familiar to you. We were using these words before spring vacation. All right. I'm going to point to the word and read it to you, and I would like for you to follow along. I see a bank. I see a bank. Now, Miss Pam's going to point to the word again, but this time I want you to read it all by yourself. Excellent job. And we have one more sentence and we will be done. The ball sank. The ball sank. Now I want you to try it by yourself. Good job, boys and girls. All right, so that's going to be the end of our lesson of reviewing our words. And in just a minute, I'm going to do something very, very fun that I think you're going to enjoy. So I'll be back in just a minute as I prepare. Hi, boys and girls. As you can see, Miss Pam had some shaving cream that she squirted out and smeared it all over her table because we're going to write our spelling words in our shaving cream. And this is a really fun way to practice spelling your words as well. So the first word that we're going to spell is bank. What sound do you hear? B, b. That's right, it's a B. So we're going to pull down and around and make the letter B. Now for our special sound. A, N, looks like I might be running out of room. And K, bank. The next word we'll write is sank. Think about that beginning sound. Yes, you're right, it starts with an S. So let's make our S. We go around. Make our A, N, and K. My S looks a little bit funny. I think Miss Pam had a little too much shaving cream, but it's still fun to practice. Our last word that we're going to do, or that I'm going to do, is rank. Rank. It starts with the letter R. So we pull down, make our A, and looks like I got too much shaving cream again, and K. Rank. Bank, sank, and rank. So boys and girls, that's just a fun way to practice spelling your words. And parents, since we're in the days of cleaning and disinfecting, you can just keep having your children rub and rub and rub, and eventually this shaving cream will go away and clean your table. Boys and girls, if you want to do this with shaving cream, you can. You don't have to, but I do want you to practice writing your spelling words, whether you use a marker or a pencil or chalk or shaving cream or paint. Anything to help you remember how to spell your words will work. So, hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye-bye.